Hey traders, John Howell here, and well, what a move in the markets today. I'm going to be going over the indices and also the metals to show you what I'm seeing right now. And for me personally, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, you know the whole, the UFC. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time. It does the whole thing. It's amazing. That's what I believe what's happening right now in the markets, right? It's time. Before, guys, if you haven't done so, the very first thing in the description, grab that free trading course. In that free trading course, actually I'm going to give you a lot of good stuff there, okay? In fact, the free trading course I'm giving away, on the very next page, as soon as you put your name and email address in, on the very first page, the first part of the trading course, you get the bullseye method, chart reading, top chart reading technique, trade, and then an awesome trading system. And then I've got 7 days of awesomeness. So go get that free trading course, guys. Go get the help you need. So let's get ready to rumble. Look what's happening with the market these days, guys, or today. If you guys have watched my previous video, you know that I was coming back from the good old workouts, and I was very, very, very excited to see what the markets are doing, because this is what I've been waiting for myself. Is that the markets, to me, when let's look at the metals first. The metals for me personally, such as silver and gold, are getting ready to now start another leg up. Or should we say we're just starting, I believe, another leg to the upside. And I believe we're now likely to head to an all-time new high based on what we're seeing through here in gold. Now, you can see here gold has pretty much done nothing here. It's low. Notice gold made a slight higher low, and now we're just starting to slightly break up when it comes to what's going on with gold right now. And then also silver is also doing something very, 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 very similar. And that's a low, a higher low, and now we're just starting to break out of this whole triangle pattern. And you can see what's happening through here, right? Look at this here. This is the triangle pattern that gold was in. Now we're breaking out of this here. So to me, that's what's happening there. The GDXJ is just starting to break out of its sort of downward pattern, downward channel now. And we're just starting to break out on the GDX as well too. Just starting to break out on the SIL. We're just starting to break out on the SIL. Should I say that was SILJ? On the SIL, just starting to break out now. So to me, I believe this is the moment we've been waiting for metals and miners to start to make another move. We've spent a lot of time doing nothing. And as you know, I've been doing videos, the calm before the storm, and it's getting ready and all that sort of stuff. Now, today is the day I believe we start that upward move. Now, when I say that, guys, it doesn't mean every single day. It doesn't mean that tomorrow is definitely going to be an up day. Okay, we could actually get that tomorrow, and then that. But overall, at the overall trajectory, the overall movement is likely to be up into the end of the year. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening with the whole election stuff, but that's exactly what I see moving forward through there. Now, moving on through to the indices and what's going on with them. Dow Jones is almost at its high point once again. Very big, strong move coming out of the Dow Jones. Very big, strong move happening with the S&P 500. Very big, strong move up. And also with the Nasdaq. So I see Nasdaq is just, look at this. Nasdaq is bam, bam, right? It's just all the way. It's going. Big gaps as well too. Big gaps up. So guys, I honestly, truly believe that we're about to see a massive run into Christmas this year. And I believe what we're seeing right now is the start and the makings of that happening. So guys, this is the moment I've been personally waiting for when it comes to the miners. I'm actually already in the miners. I got into some more positions when it comes to the mining and actually got into a mining stock today, silver stock actually. And I got into some more when it comes to the metals as well too. So very exciting, very, very, very exciting. I see, guys, I see a really big movement to the upside coming into the end of the year. And when I look at my weekly charts, I believe we're likely to start to see a big, big move coming into Christmas and then into the start of next year. I know it doesn't make sense with what's going on right now in the markets, with what's going on right now in the economy, but what the charts are telling me, what's happening, and the S&P 500 and the GDXJ and gold and silver and all that sort of stuff are telling me we're likely to see all these things start to go for a rally, at least on a short-term basis, guys. Short-term, meaning over the next couple of months. Towards the end of the year, I believe we're likely to start to see a rally. This is the moment I've been waiting for.